Hey, this is Marco, and in this I'm going to show you how to fix ClipChamp not working in Windows 11. So first thing is you want to run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. So if you're, for example, on Windows 10, press Windows plus I icon, open Update Security, click on Troubleshoot, Additional Troubleshooters, Windows Store Apps, and run the trouble. If you are on Windows 11, you want to click on the Start menu and choose Settings, System, Troubleshooter, Other Troubleshooter, and then click Run next to the Windows. So it's basically kind of the same as. Then you want to run SVC scan. So to do that, type in, press Windows plus R on your keyboard, enter CMD, and then OK to open the chat prompt. Once you have opened it, type in this and then hit enter, and then just wait for the system to scan it. And once you're done, reboot the system. You can always repair and uninstall ClipChamp. So again, on Windows 11, go to Windows plus I, open settings, choose apps, find ClipChamp, click on advanced options, click on repair to reset, on repair, and then it's reset. It's the same thing as on Windows 11. Fourth way is just to close any unnecessary applications on your PC. So if, for example, it's not working properly, you can always close some applications running on your computer to free up. And another thing is you can import multiple video files into ClipChamp simultaneously, but this takes more time, especially if you're trying to upload 4K videos. You can always downscale them to 10. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment.